If you've wondered what I've been at for the past 2 weeks, I've been working on some things in my life. Improving my drawing, finding new styles, and getting a better understanding about myself. And at the moment I have a very large mural that I'm going to be working on, and it's a total of about 5,000 square feet. And I've done a mural before, but it wasn't anywhere at this scale, and it's going to be on the side of a big store, and it's 250 feet long, about 20 feet high, and so this is a very big undertaking, very big task. And I've been working on that and some other things in my life that have come up. Nothing bad, but just a lot of work. I've had to take a short break from making so many videos, and so that's why I've been gone for the past 2 weeks. And I've also got a few projects that I'm working on for some people that requested some drawings, and over the course of the next 6 months, maybe it could be a couple of years, I'm going to be working on trying to improve my drawing more so than worrying so much about making videos. There's still going to be videos, but not at the frequency that I was uploading. And so with that being said, I'm out here today at a reservoir, and I wanted to come out here to talk about this and take some time to think about things and know where I'm going with all this drawing and where I'm going as an artist and as a person in general. I want my artwork to be an expression of who I am as a person. I want it to really, to have the memory of my life live on as an expression to the legacy of my art. And to do that, I've got to take a break from some things sometimes in life. I've got to find, you got to find a balance, but you don't want to be putting everything into just one thing and then lose all that. And I don't mean that in a negative way as, being afraid to pursue something. What I mean is I've got to step back from doing something. I can't be trying to do everything all at once. So I'm going to be pursuing this to a much greater degree than I was before. And I think that getting out like this, going outside, taking some time to think about things, and I've been writing down a lot of my thoughts, and I think that's helping me a lot to improve my drawing and to be more creative. And so from here on out, I'm really going to focus on that, and really focus on being a better artist, being a better person, and be more concerned about the quality of my content and the quality of my artwork, rather than being so worried about the quantity. Because all the time I'm spending trying to make such a large quantity of content and such a large quantity of artwork, I want to take the time now to really focus on the quality of it. And so if you have any questions about anything or any suggestions, go ahead and let me know. But for now, I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing and pushing myself to improve. And this mural that I'm designing, this 5,000 square feet, it's gonna be on the side of a store, 250 feet long, 20 feet high. It's gonna be about the Shawshank Redemption, the movie. And the site that this is on, it used to originally be a location that was related to all this. And so the theme of this drawing that I have to design for this, it has to include the Shawshank Redemption. I've got some different ideas for the whole collage of it, and in this it's going to have the main characters. It's going to have the Ohio State Reformatory. It's going to have a tree in it, and have some other ideas for the design. And it's a really big task. I've never drawn anything larger than maybe a couple of feet, and this one's going to be 5,000 square feet. And It's kind of hard to comprehend that because my living room is 150 square feet. I'm between that 150 and 200 square feet, and so to try to comprehend 5,000 square feet, it's it's a big undertaking, and I have to have a lot of planning for this. I better get everything sketched up and drawn out how I want. I'll show you a little bit about the process I'm going through with that later on, and as long as I got the sketches down and I've got a plan to where my idea that I have in my head, I get it on paper, then I can take that idea that I have, that sketches, and try to put that onto that wall. I think I'll be fine as long as I got the main idea and the most important part of the drawing on the wall first, and then I just go from there, add my own style to it, and really put in the details after that. But it's a very big task, and although it's a really big task and it's a really big challenge, the excitement of doing this and getting it completed, the enjoyment I get when it's done is it's going to be so satisfying, and I want to see what I'm able to really create, what I can push myself to do, and I'm really looking forward to this, and I'm looking forward to showing everybody to see what I can really make here. But I'm not worried about it not working out because I've always believed in my capabilities, and I'm always able to really adapt on the spot while I'm doing something. And so it's a lot of work, but I believe I can do it. I wanted to say that I've been studying Leonardo da Vinci, and I've been trying to draw like he does. And his drawing style, I didn't realize that I kind of have a little bit of a drawing style that's like that, and so I've been implementing that into my artwork, and I look forward to showing everybody that. But for now, thank you for watching, and hope you have a good day. See you later.